This video shows veterans resources they can use to help them find another job or to find job training opportunities. Employ Florida has a page to help veterans search for jobs. The U.S. Department of Labor's Veterans Employment and Training Services website helps veterans find jobs and job training. If you are a veteran, you may be eligible for Veterans Preference as well as other veteran-specific hiring options when searching for federal jobs at Feds Hire Vets. The U.S. Department of Labor's Transition Assistance Program provides information, tools, and training to ensure service members and their spouses are prepared for civilian life. Veterans Affairs education benefits help veterans, service members, and their qualified family members with needs like paying college tuition and more. If you have a service-connected disability that limits your ability to work or prevents you from working, the VA's Vocational Readiness and Employment Program may help. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida. And thank you for your service.